Santa Maria is a fourth-class municipality in the province of Laguna, Philippines. According to the 2010 census, it has a population of 26,839 people. Santa Maria at 126 square kilometer is the third largest town in Laguna in terms of land area after San Pablo City and Calamba City. It is the northernmost town in Laguna, and it is politically subdivided into 25 barangays. History tells that from Mabitac was a mountain path pointed northward leading to a village called Cabuuan. On this path, near the village gateway, gathers people and Chinese merchants selling and buying wares, livestock, and other farm produce. Either sell their herbs, medicinal rootstocks, and wild honey. Women from Mabitac trade chickens with clay pots, pandan mats, and samutan huts. It was a marketplace. Cabuuan came from the Tagalog word kabuhuan, which means bamboo thicket or buho. Buho is a genus of bamboo which grows abundantly in the village. Cabuuan is a miracle of nature. Its falls, called Ambon-Ambon, located in one corner of the village, looks like a stair of giant rocks going up to heaven. This village used to be a part of the province of Moro. Padre Antonio de la Lave was the first parish priest of Cabuuan. Residents believe that he was the one responsible for making the village a town and in renaming it into San Miguel de Cabuuan in 1602. A legend tells the story of how San Miguel de Cabuuan became Santa Maria. The story says that a couple going home from the marketplace after trading their vegetable harvest with their basic needs, found laying on the ground an image of the Blessed Virgin. At first, they thought it was a porcelain piece dropped by a Chinese merchant. Porcelain was a very expensive commodity during the period, as it is today. After careful examination, they recognized the image as that of the Virgin Mary. The couple made an altar in their house and enthroned the image there. The next morning, the couple was astonished. The image was gone. They looked for the image all over until they decided to look at the place where they found it. They saw a group of women poking with a long stick something on the ground that looked like a piece of ivory. It was the image of the Virgin. It was back at the very spot where they found it. In 1613, Padre Geronimo Vasquez built the first church on the spot where the couple found the image of the Virgin. Thus, San Miguel de Cabuuan became Santa Maria de los Angeles. In short, Santa Maria.